ever think you approach a girl. Instead, think you're putting out your own personal 5-second short. I'll get to the funny short, which is the minute short, in a moment. But if you don't get this part right, and instead you get approach anxiety, then you will not make it to the minute short. The 5-second short is just to test to see if she wants to talk. Ask a unique question. Don't overthink. Just talk from your heart and ask the same question to every girl. Make sure it's not a question everybody else asks, like, how's your day going? Because that will get you an automatic response and she will not know you want to talk. If after you give your 5-second short, she gives you a what are you going to say next type look, she looks at you with her eyes telling you, I wonder what you're going to say next, you seem interesting, then you go on to the funny short, the minute short. Make it funny, because if you make it funny, you start gaining her trust fast and she's more likely to want to talk to you. To make it funny, have your minute short be 1, unpredictable, 2, something she can relate to. The more relatable, the better. And 3, something that's on her mind. The more on her mind, the better. Like the other day, I'm near the university. I start my 5-second short, a unique, original question. Then I say a minute short. It's time to get funny. Here's how it goes. I say my 5-second short, something original about the time of year. It doesn't have to be funny, just as long as it's from your heart, because you're just testing to see if she wants to talk. You don't want to overthink, because if you overthink, then she might not want to talk, and then it's like you put all that thought, and then you don't have any energy to go on to the next thoughts, because you overthought the first question. You don't want to do that. Just think something simple, say it to every girl, it doesn't matter what it is, because you're just testing to see if she wants to talk. After my 5-second short, she gives me a what are you going to say next type look. She looks at me in my eyes, tell me, I wonder what you're going to say next. You seem interesting. So I ask her if she's going to the university because we're near the university. She tells me she's not. I don't think she understands me, therefore I think of a funny joke in my mind. It comes to me at that time all of a sudden, and this happens because I approach hundreds of girls. The joke is 1, unpredictable, 2, relatable, and 3, very much on her mind. She laughs throughout the whole joke. I say, I know you love the smell of books, you love being at the library all day and studying. You dream about being at the library when you're at home. However, I'm not asking you if you're going to the university right now. I'm asking if you're taking classes.